brightness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? This is George with Wicked Mornings, here with a little bit of an oversized load vehicle. This is larger than average. We've got an Isuzu brand new NPR with the powerful V8 gas engine in it. And this is for one of our roadwork clients, does a lot of the highway signage. A lot of the danger on this truck is primarily for the rear. So we went with a simple 12-inch interior mount windshield light in an amber and white configuration, as you can see there on the top. Try to zoom in for you. We mounted this right in between the visors, up against the windshield from the inside. This will give them all the warning that they really need on the front of this vehicle. Again, this vehicle, all the danger is from the rear. You can see here a little bit of the side warning we've got going on around the back. We'll go ahead and spin this vehicle around and show you what we did in the back of the vehicle. Around the back of this vehicle, we used our Thin-X TIR series light. We put them vertically on the corners and horizontally in the middle. We alternated the corners with a triple flash with the entire light. And in the center here, we just did a split flash back and forth. The sun was kind of fighting me there, so I zoomed in a little bit, give you a little better shot of the lights here. Around the back there, you can see our split pattern in the center, as well as the steady full light illumination on the outside edges. Here you can see them a little bit better. Again, that's our Thin-X TIR series in all amber, as well as the 12-inch windshield light. Thanks again for watching. As always, here's a shot of that side fire in the rear. Keep us in mind for your larger vehicles. Thanks again for watching. It's George at Wicked Mornings.